Balbir Singh Sodhi is my father, or was my father, and after 911, after backlash, he got murdered at the gas station. So it was a hate crime.
20 years ago, Balbir was shot and killed by a person who want to kill all the towel-head people.
So where's the guy that took off? He took off down east on University. East on University, what color did he go? There's a black pickup truck, I think, right there. Black pickup truck? That's 10, I believe. That's 10? So did you put your license plate? No, we didn't.
Somebody called me telling me the news, they're shooting at my brother Balbir gas station. It's very common in gas station convenience store business, the armed robbery. And the first thing come to my mind, is armed robbery.
I was praying to God, like, be sure he's okay, be sure he's alive. But when we got here, so it was so shocking. I cannot tell my emotions, but it was a big shock for me.
I didn't know that until I reached there. He was a victim of hate crime. Losing a brother, I think I lost so much love, because to me, he treated me like a younger brother, and he treated me like a son and baby, and he treated me like a friend. I miss him, and we always talk about him every day. There is something, there is conversation going on, then his name is come out.
Do you like to have a bag for this? We started this business, and we were having this conversation. He said, I want to be retired. I'm done enough. I want to go back to India and have a peaceful life there with my mom and my grandparents. That was his dream. There's people are still there coming to my store 20 years because of him. That happened to my family. So I think we got a lot back from the community as well. Like, he gave it to community a lot, but that was unfortunate that this happened, and just because of one person. We were also shocked when we saw that footage on the TV, the planes going through those buildings. And after hours later, they start showing Osama bin Laden on the TV. And as a Sikh community, I knew that, or we all knew that this might be a backlash against Sikh. I called my dad to be careful too, because he wear turban all the time, even at work and stuff. And he said, no, everybody's so nice to him there, so he's okay here, he's safe here. So that's what my last conversation with him.
Every year I go through this tough time of feeling so much sorrow for causing that family so much pain. And what prevented me from seeing him as a fellow human being was all the news events of the destruction of 9/11, women jumping from those buildings to their deaths. It caused such anguish.
My feelings toward Frank Silva, I never met that person personally, because I just saw him on the court states and stuff. They asked me, like, do you forgive this person? I said, no, I cannot forget. He took my father away from me. How can you forget somebody who did that? If 911 didn't happen, this probably not happened to my family as well. So he probably be here enjoying our life with us, hopefully. So I think he's also a victim. It's like even a separated incident, but he's also a victim on 911.